If you want to safeguard yourself whilst adventuring, camping or overlanding in remote climates, you want to listen up. Have you ever heard of Puribag? Last year we tested the 120 litre water purifying system. It's safe to say we were highly impressed. Now in my hot little hands you'll see the Pro Kit, a kit that improves on both flexibility and capacity. But with the Pro Kit, you'll safely be able to convert a monster 5,000 litres of consumable water, depending on water turbidity. Now, it's the same process you've seen previously. Simply collect your fresh water, add the purification sachet, use the sealing rod to seal the bag, shake the bag for 3 to 5 minutes or until properly mixed, and hang the bag for 30 minutes. The Puribag is effective at removing turbidity and 99.9999% of bacteria, 99.99% of viruses, and 99.9% of protozoa. I can't lie to you, I had to Google what protozoa actually are. As a very basic summary, they're a single cell parasite or organism, essentially things you just don't really want to be consuming. Once the 30-minute period is complete, twist and clip the bag to separate the purified water from the waste material and remove the sealing rod to dispose of the waste. Now, we've got perfectly good and consumable drinking water that is filtered again through the filter in the nozzle. It's a little bit slow because it's gravity fed and it's a bit awkward to do as a single person, but you've got to have the taste test. It's amazing, and it's certainly a far cry from whatever is there in that spring. You saw how murky it is, and you think that's it, but there's more. The reason the Pro Kit is able to convert so much water is the additional purification sachets and bag filters. But one of the neat features that adds an extra layer of water security is the new filter straw. If you desire, the cleanable filter straw can be fitted as a water security extension to the Puribag. Or you can use it on the go with any 28ml soft drink or water bottle. Simply thread on the filter and you're good to go. Such a cool feature with high application. Now, of course, you know our friends at Puribag have hooked us up with a discount code for the Dinkum Australia crew. And if you're serious about having an emergency water source while you're traveling, overlanding and adventuring remote Australia, I would seriously recommend covering yourself with the Pro Kit by Puribag.